You'll design a translucent interface inspired by liquid crystal displays. Begin with a soft gradient background. Choose cool, fluid colors. Create rounded rectangles with high transparency for panels. Add thin, crisp borders and micro-icons to enhance the tech feel. Use subtle glow for active elements and slightly blurred strokes for inactive ones. Add chart elements using line graphs and circular gauges, keeping color accents minimal. Apply inner shadow depth to sliders and buttons, making them appear embedded. This dashboard style is ideal for tech presentations and futuristic app concepts.